Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage correct void settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, adjustment and maintenance, and go to adjust image quality. Now let's click on the special processing, and here we will see the correct void right here, and now we can easily enable it. And as you guys can see, toner may not fix properly and images may be faintly printed. So if it's okay with us, we can click yes. If not, then click no. And that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and it was helpful, then leave a like, subscribe and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.